Take the strenuous labor out of your ironing with the CPUIBSL Series Pop-Up Ironing Board from Sidelines by Revashelf. This ironing board's slim design makes it only 6 inches wide when stored, including hardware. It installs easily into any partition at least 14 inches deep and can be mounted on either the left or right side. It also glides on overtravel slides, so it can be hidden behind a closet door if desired. This unit features soft assist when popping up the board, as the metal legs slide down and lock into place. The adjustable feet allow for added stability as you iron over the included smooth cover. When you're finished, simply pull the release, push the board down to close, swivel, and tuck away. The CPUIBSL Series Pop-Up Ironing Board from Sidelines by Revashelf has ironed out the inconvenience of storing and setting up that bulky ironing board.